Defining biodegradable materials. Biodegradable materials are substances that can break down naturally by the action of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. Over time, these materials decompose into simpler compounds like water, carbon dioxide, and biomass. Examples include food scraps, paper, and natural fibers, which break down under environmental conditions. What are compostable materials? Compostable materials are a subset of biodegradable substances that decompose in a controlled environment, such as a composting system, within a specific period. These materials not only break down into natural elements but also turn into nutrient-rich compost, ideal for soil enrichment. Common examples include certain food waste and compostable plastics. Key difference in decomposition process. While both biodegradable and compostable materials break down, the key difference lies in how and where they decompose. Biodegradable materials may degrade in any environment, whether in a landfill or composting system. Compostable materials, however, need a specific environment, like a compost pile, to break down efficiently and produce compost. Timeframe for decomposition. Biodegradable materials can take varying amounts of time to break down depending on the material and environmental conditions. Compostable materials are designed to decompose within a specific, typically shorter, timeframe, usually within 90 days, under the right composting conditions. Environmental impact considerations. Biodegradable materials may break down into harmful byproducts, especially in landfills where they lack oxygen. In contrast, compostable materials are designed to degrade into organic matter that enriches the soil, making them more eco-friendly when processed properly. Requirements for composting. Composting requires specific conditions like heat, moisture, and oxygen for effective decomposition. Materials that are labeled compostable often need industrial composting facilities to decompose properly, as home composting may not reach the required conditions. Examples of biodegradable materials. Common biodegradable materials include paper, cardboard, food scraps, and cotton. These items will decompose naturally over time but may still take longer in landfills due to lack of oxygen and other factors. Examples of compostable materials. Compostable materials include food waste, certain biodegradable plastics, and compostable bags made from plant-based materials. These items are designed to break down and return nutrients to the earth when processed in a composting environment. Misleading labels. Biodegradable versus compostable. The terms biodegradable and compostable are sometimes used interchangeably but have distinct meanings. A product that is labeled biodegradable might not necessarily be compostable, and vice versa. Consumers must carefully assess labels to understand the true environmental impact of the materials. Conclusion. Choosing the right material. In summary, while both biodegradable and compostable materials break down over time, compostable materials are specifically designed to degrade into nutrient-rich compost, making them a more eco-friendly option for enriching soil. Understanding the differences helps in making sustainable choices.